In this video, I will show you how to fix the "you do not have permission to access" error in Windows 11. Start by opening File Explorer and clicking on this PC. Identify the drive you're having trouble accessing. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Security tab and click on Edit, then click Add. In the new window, click Advanced, then Find Now. Scroll through the list and select Everyone, click OK, and then again click OK. Back on the Security tab, select Everyone and check the box for Full Control. Finally, click Apply and then OK. This should resolve the permission issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.